of all, start with the introduction to game playing. Then we calculate the sum of minimax search procedure, then alpha beta procedure. Then the next topic is refinements, and the next is iterative deepening. This is your unit number 2 of your section 2. Okay, so start with the introduction. What is game playing? Anyone can tell me what is game playing? In terms of AI, so mostly all the students are play a game, right? So what is game playing? So game playing is an important domain of AI. Games don't require much knowledge. The only knowledge we need to provide is the rules, legal moves, and the condition of winning or losing the game. So if you are developing a game, so there is no more requirement of knowledge, but what is the basic requirement of game? That is the rules, and what are the moves, or what are the next action the user can play, and the condition of winning and losing the game. So this is the basic requirement for developing a game. Okay. So both the player try to win the game. So both of them try to make the best move possible at each turn. So searching technique like BFS are not accurate for this, as a branching factor is very high. So searching will take a lot of time. So we need another search procedure that improve the accuracy of your system. Okay, so that improves the generate procedure, so that the only good moves are generated. So we are not using the BFS and DFS all time in our game. So there are some improvement is required. So we can use the generate procedure, so that only good moves are generated, and test procedure, so that the best move can be explored first. Okay. The most common search technique in the game playing is minimax search procedure. It is the depth limited procedure. It is used for the games like chess and tic-tac-toe. Okay. So we see one example. So you have clear this minimax procedure, how we can use in game playing. Okay. Anyone can tell me any application of game that use the AI? There are lots of game available nowadays that use the AI in game playing. You know anyone game? Which game use the AI for game playing? So here there are the lots of games that are available that use the AI. AlphaGo, Dark Forest, Deep Blue, Fear, Half-Life, Hello, and Stockfish. These are the mostly game application that use the artificial intelligence. Okay. So one by one we see how we can develop a game using AI, and what is Minimax algorithm. So we come to the topic, the start with the Minimax algorithm. I hope you have clear what is game playing, and already you are play a game, right? So now we comes to the topic, that is Minimax algorithm. So that contains the two basic terms, that is move generation. So it generates all the possible move that can be generated from the current positions. Means आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो गेम, तो उसके आगे नेक्स्ट लेवल कौन से है उसको जनरेट करना है, तो वो क्या है आपका मूव जनरेशन. नाउ static evaluation, it return a value depending upon the goodness from the viewpoint of two player. Okay. तो स्टैटिक इवेल्युएशन है, वो आपका क्या करेगा, वो आपका वैल्यू जो पोजीशन पे हो उसका वैल्यू जनरेट करेगा और व्यू पॉइंट जनरेट करेगा. राइट. नाउ वी कम टू द टॉपिक, व्हाट इज Minimax algorithm actually work. So this algorithm is a two-player game. So we call the first player as a player 1 and the second player as a player 2. The value of each node is a backend from its children. For player 1, the Beckett up value is the maximum value of its children, and for player 2, the backup value is the minimum value for of its children. So it provides a most promising move to player 1. Assuming that the player 2 has made the best move. It is a recursive algorithm. A same procedure occur at each level. I show you one example so you have clear how to calculate Minimax algorithm output. So this game is a two-player game. There are the different types of game: one-player game, two-player game, more than one-player game, more than two-player game. So there are the different types of game. But this Minimax algorithm is a two-player game. Now we take one example. So I give one example first, then you have to solve the other example. Okay. So take your book and pen for calculation of this Minimax algorithm. Now, you can see here, this is the tree that contain nodes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and O. Okay. So for backing up of value, this is the sample given example. You have to calculate the value of A node and maximize your A. So what is minimax? So first one is mini and the second one is maximum. So this is the two-player game. So first of all, we have two player. The first player is try to minimize the value, and the second player is try to conclude the answer in maximize. Okay. So we take one example for this calculation. Here our output is we have to maximize the value of A. Here you can see level, the tree has a level. The first level is level 1, then level 2, then level 3, and level 4. Hello. If you have any query, then you can ask in chat box. Any problem? Is it visible? Is it?
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay, understand all of you? The level, this is your leaf level. Then your level 3, this is your maximizing level. Then level 2 is your minimizing level. And level 1 is your maximizing level, right? So at level 3, you have to find the maximum of a given child value. You can see D has a 2 child, H and I. So which has a maximum value? 22. So I assign D as a 22. 12 and 8. So which is the maximum value? So 12 is the maximum. So I assign E as a 12 value. Now L and M, which is the maximum? 25 or minus 8. So 25 is the maximum value. And N and O, so which is the maximum value? 23. Okay. Now the level 2 is a minimizing level. So minimizing level, you have to find the minimum value of their child. So B has a 2 child, D and E, which has a minimum value? 12. And the C has a 2 child, F and G, which has a minimum value? 23. Okay. So now I come to the last root node that maximize the value of your root node. So you can see A has a 2 child, B and C, which has the maximum value? So 23 is your maximum value. This is your final answer. Okay. Clear? All the students have clear this algorithm. Minimax means level by level. You have given find the maximize the value of your root node. Then you have to start with your level 1, that is maximize. Then alternatively level 2 is your minimum. Level 3 is your maximum. Suppose you have a more level, then you have to find alternative maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum. Okay. Suppose you have given the problem, minimize the value of your root node. So here level 1 is minimize, then maximize, then minimize, then maximize. Okay. So what is your answer? The answer is 23. Okay, clear? Clear all of you? Now I give the second example, so you have to find the value of your second example. Understand everyone? Anyone have a problem? Then ask your question. Anyone have question in this theory, minimax algorithm? Then ask your question. This is a very simple and easy theory. Now I give the second example. So you give me the answer of this second example. Okay. So the second example, consider the game tree given in figure 1 in which the evaluation function value are shown below each leaf node for name X player, right? Assume that the root node correspond to the minimizing player. Assume that the search analysis visit children left to right. Okay. Compute the backend of value, compute the minimax algorithm by writing value at each appropriate node in the tree given. You have a given tree that level 1, level 2, and this is your leaf nodes. So you have to find the minimum value of your root node. So this is your level 1 that has a minimizing, then this layer has a maximizing value. So find the value of the root node and give me the answer. What is the answer of this example? Show in your book. This example you have to try in your book. So first, this layer has a maximizing value. So the lower this node contains 3 child, 4, 3, and 1. So this layer is maximizing. So what is the value of this node? Four. Then what is the value of these two nodes? That value is 5 and 2. So this layer is maximizing value, right? So here 5 and 8 and 2. So this is your 8. So 4, 5 and 8, right? Now you have to, this layer has a minimum value. So which has a minimum value? 4, 5 and 8. So output, your right answer is calculate in your book and then tell me the answer. What is the value of this node? Calculate this example in your book and tell me the answer of this. Find the minimum value of these children. Okay? If you have any question, then again I repeat. You can write your answer in chat box. Once again, I repeat this theory. You have to given this tree and you have to calculate the value of A as a maximum value, right? See, this is your given problem. Now already you have given this tree that contain all these leaf node and their value. Now you have to find the maximum value of A. So one by one, you have to assign the level. The first one is level 1, then you have to find maximum, so I maximizing. Then B and C is your level 2, then I minimize. Then D, E, F, G is a level 3 and then I also minimizing. Now this is your level 3 that has a maximizing value, right? Now you can see D has a node, H and I as a children, right? Now I have to check which has a maximum value because your level 3 is your maximum value. So 22 is your maximum value. Okay. J and K, which has the maximum value? 12. So I assign E as a 12. Now L and M, which has a maximum value? 25. So 25 I assign as a F node. N and O, 13 and 23. Maximum value is 23. So I assign G as a 23 because this layer is your maximizing. Now the level 2 is your minimized level, right? Now I have to check. B node has a two child, D and E. Their value 22 and 12. So which has a minimum value? The 12 is minimum. So I assign B as a minimum value because this level is minimizing. Now I have to check. C has a two child, F and G. Which has a minimum value? 23. So I assign C as a 23. Now I have to find the value of A node as a maximum value. Now A has a 2 child, B and C. Which has a maximum value? So 23 is your answer because 23 is your maximum value. Okay. So you have to find for this example. Here you can find the minimum value of your root node. So already the level 1 is your minimum, then level 2 is your maximum. So now you have to check in this level which has a maximum value. Here you can assign 4. Then here you can assign 5. And here you can assign 8. So 4, 5 and 8, right? Now you have to find the minimum value. So which has a which is the answer of your question, this example? So 4 is your answer of this example. Okay. So now I give the second example. So you have to give me the answer of this example. Okay. Now you have given we have 2 players. Minimum who plays first and maximum has a 4 moves. So maximum who plays the second and can make 2 moves. Suppose that after one turn, the value of the leaves are as in figure. So compute the value of the root of the tree, then say which is the most convenient move for minimum. Then tell with the reason which part of tree are be generated if we perform an alpha beta pruning. So this is your second theory, but first of all you have to solve this example with Minimax algorithm. So you have to find the minimum value of your root node. So already you have given the value of 9, minus 7, 11, 4, minus 8, minus 9, minus 2 and 12, right? You have given the leaf node value. Now you have to find the maximum value of at level 2 and then at level 1 you have to find the minimum value. So calculate in your book and tell me the answer. Write your answer in chat box. Give me the answer of this example. One student give answer minus 8. So is it right? First of all, at level 2, the maximized value. So here 9, then 11, then minus 8 and 12. 9, 11, minus 8 and 12. Now you have to find the minimum value. So which is the right answer? Write your answer in chat box. Minus 8. Yeah. Yes, it is right. Minus 8. You can draw this tree in your book. Then I give the next example. Example number 3. Okay. All the students ready for next example? So, the third example, consider the following two-player game tree in which static score are given from the first player's point of view. So you have given this tree, you can write in your book and calculate the answer. Suppose the first player is maximizing player, what move should be chosen? Why use minimax search to solve? So you have to solve this example and tell me the answer of maximum value of your A. So level 1 is your maximum, then B, C, D is your level 2, that is your minimum, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M is your maximum value. Maximum, minimum, maximum. Now you have given the value, all are visible, this value of leaf node. You have given 8, 7, 3, 9, 1, 6, 2, 4, 1, 1, 3, 5, 3, 9, 2, 6, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 2, and 8, 6, 4. You have given the leaf node value. Now you have to find the value of your A node as a maximum player. The first player you have given. The first player is your maximizing player, right? So you have to start with the maximum value. Suppose you have given the first player is minimum value, then you have to start with minimize, maximize, minimize and maximize. Okay? Here you given maximizing player. Calculate the answer and tell me the final answer of this example number 3. Also students have to compulsory write your enrollment number in chat box. So what is the value final answer of your A node? What is your final answer of this example number 3? Yes, answer is 5. Okay, good. Now next example. So you have given, consider the game tree of figure 1 in which the static scorer from first player point of view. Suppose the first player is maximizing player. So you have given the first player is maximizing player. So applying minimax search algorithm, and so the backup value in the tree, what moves will be maximum choose if the nodes are expanded from the left to right. So what would not be visited using alpha beta pruning. So this is your second example. But first of all, you have to calculate with minimax algorithm. You have given value leaf node as a, you all are visible, 7, 6, 8, 5, 2, 3, 0, -2, 6, 2, 5, 8, 9, and 2. So you have to find the value of your node A, that value is maximum. So level 1 is your maximum, then level 2 is your minimum, then level 3 is your maximum. Okay. So start with your maximum layer, that is level number 3. Calculate this sum and give the answer in chat box. Yes. Answer is 8. Okay, good. Right answer is 8. Now you have to in next lecture we continue the next theory, that is your alpha beta pruning. This is your first theory, that is your minimax algorithm. So I hope you have cleared the concept using this example. So anyone have still doubt in lecture, then you can ask your question.